In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use merge tags in Mailchimp. In order to use mail tags or merge tags on your Mailchimp, you first need to head over to their website, which is mailchimp.com. From in there, you can head over and click on this login option right here in order to log into their account, or you can head over and click on sign up right here in order to sign up for your account, on this case if you do not have one yet. So since I already have a Mailchimp account, here is what it looks like. So into this right here, what we can do is we can just create a new email or open a current email within the workshop. In my case, I'll create a new email. And then in this right here, you can just input what you want to do for this. I'll head over and choose in here a fully designed template. And into this case, this will load in order to show us our options. So here is what our actual format or email looks like. You can head over and click on any one of them, and in here you can see the styles, borders, rounded corners, and the likes. You also see in here the visibility as well as the coding option right here. So in order to utilize the merge tags option, it's actually typically used as tags within your email content, and it will be automatically replace these tags with the corresponding data from each subscriber profile. So for example, I have in here this into our footer. You can click on this right here and then change the colors and paddings. And also you can change this particular text right here and change the paragraph blocks that we have into this part. You can also choose the coding option in order to save everything together, and can head over and send test or save and exit in order to deploy this particular email. So that's how you use merge tags in Mailchimp. Hope we helped.